friends, today I am going to show you a very economical brand of smart home solution, Domogene. So all their products are Wi-Fi based, so no need of any expensive hub or gateways. So whatever device you require, you just have to spend for that device only. So this is the packaging. I've got the devices on. Considering it's a budget smartphone brand, the packaging is very decent. Here it shows on the box that it works with Alexa and Google Home. So you can have fun asking your phone to change the ambience. Is the QR code here. You can scan it for your App Store as well as your Google Play Store. You can download the Smart Life app from which I can control the devices. Of course, I can operate them from mechanical switches also. So here in my hand, I have about 5 devices from Domogene. All of them are retrofit, meaning you don't have to do any changes in your existing home to make the automation fit in. So the first device is this is the Domogene 2-channel relay. So you can install this relay behind your regular home electrical switches like your GE, Anchor, Roma, etc. So it would fit well into most Indian switch boxes. Since it's a 2-channel relay, you can automate 2 switches using this device and correspondingly 2 independent light and fan circuits. You can notice the S1 and S2 terminals for connecting the switches and L1 and L2 for connecting the 2 loads. So the next product is the dual white LED strip light controller. So you can connect a warm white LED strip and a cool white LED strip to this. So the Kelvin range is from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. This one, the third one, is the 0 to 10 volts dimmer. If you have 0 to 10 volts dimming lights in your home, you can use this product directly for making this smart. The fourth one is the RGB controller. You can connect a multicolored strip light to it and create mode-based lighting in your home with thousands of colors right from your phone. This last product is the IR Hub. This is basically a device that you can blast commands from. Of all these products, this is the one with very compact and sleek design. So it's my favorite as far as looks are concerned. The other products will not be visible in plain view once installed. So they look very plain and sort of utility kinds. Since this product will be installed on the roof or wall or simply on the table, it's going to be visible. So probably that's the reason why it has been designed to look so sleek. So it's also powered with a micro USB controller. Micro USB. So I have installed all the devices in this space. So I have connected the 2-channel relay to the chandelier and the spotlight, and I also have added it to the Smart Life app. So the 2 switches I have automated comes up like this. So let me turn on the chandelier and turn off the spotlight. Okay, you can see that the response is almost instant. Yes. Now the same operation for the other one. Mechanical switches. Let's try it from mechanical switches. So I can turn on the chandelier and turn it off, and the same goes for the smart lights. So now
Alexa,
let's
turn on the chandelier.
turn on the chandelier.
Okay.
Now I have installed the IR Hub. It is powered through a micro USB cable. I have connected it to the Smart Life app. So I can control my overhead AC from this app. So let me show you the app. It comes up like this. Yeah, so I'll navigate to the room that I've installed, and I will switch off the AC and switch it on. Switched off and switching it on. So you can see this LED indication from the blaster. Let's do something. We will also do it from Alexa. Okay. Alexa, turn off the AC.
Okay.
Okay, right. So this smart Wi-Fi RGB mood lighting controller. So I've installed this to the Cove light. I've added it to the Smart Life app. I'll show it to you. On the Smart Life app, you get the RGB color wheel. Yes. So I've switched it on. You get this color wheel. Let's change the color to teal. This is the teal color. It slowly moves and changes the color. Now it's teal, and let's move it to pink. So you can see the whole ambience of the room changes. Yes, and of course it has some other controls like brightness, saturation, etc. Yeah. The next product, as I showed, this is the dual white color controller, white color controller. We have added two color strips. Right now it is in the cool white. Now I'll changing it to warm white. So there's this concept called human-centric lighting or circadian lighting. It's the art of creating lighting that mimics the natural daylight or sunlight, that drives our bodily functions. This is scientifically proven to, enhance vision, well-being, concentration, etc. So just like sunlight varies color during the entire day, similarly we can program this light in the Smart Life app also to achieve the same thing. So the last device is a very simple 0 to 10 volts smart dimmer. So I've connected this device to my 0 to 10 volts dimmable LED white strip in the false ceiling. So this device, it lets me dim the lights. So it's not necessary to connect it to a strip light only. You can connect it to any 0 to 10 volts dimmable LED light. So it will work in that case also. So on the Smart Life app, it will come up like this. Just the dimmer I'm going to operate, just the brightness you can control. I'll put it at halfway and slowly it will go into 0 when I put it onto the minimum point. Yes, and then it down and it slowly goes to 0. So if you like these products, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.